Alright guys, this is the viral swim biscuits recipe. Everybody's been asking for the recipe in the comments, so I figure I'll do a step-by-step. So we're starting off with 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup, and we're going to put this in the oven and let it melt. Next we have 2.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a quarter cup of sugar. Okay, next we have 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I have about 1.5 cups of berries that I put directly in here, and then 2 cups of buttermilk. Everything goes in. We're mixing some vanilla, about a teaspoon, a squeeze of lemon, and we need some zest as well. And then we just mix everything together. Let's take a quick pause. I think the butter is ready, so let me pull that out. Now we just need to continue mixing this. So all we're missing now is some lemon zest, and then everything goes into the butter. Okay, now we just mix everything. Make sure your zest is mixed in there. I'm going to take my spatula and scrape everything off. And this is going directly into our butter. Okay, now we just have to smooth this out, and as you could see, it is swimming for sure. Everything is swimming in the butter, and I had a bunch of people asking, well, that's a lot of butter, but if you think about it, if you're making a biscuit, you're putting more than this amount of butter inside of the flour when you're mixing it. So the only difference is you're seeing it in a swim biscuit, and in a regular biscuit, you're not really seeing the butter going in. So to just clarify that to everyone. And we're just gonna cut this. I think I'm gonna go straight across so the butter could get in between. And then we're gonna go this way. And this is perfect because today's actually Memorial Day, and we're gonna take this over to a party. So everyone could try it. And there you have it. We're going to put this in the oven and then work on the frosting. Okay, for our frosting, I already have some made. I'm going to add to it a little bit of heavy cream, which I didn't add prior on this one. So just a little bit of that and some more lemon juice and mix it up. We're gonna pour this on top of the biscuit once it's at room temperature. If not, if you pour it while it's hot, it's gonna just melt into it, which could be fine as well, but if you want to see the frosting, then So this is just regular milk, powdered sugar, and a squeeze of lemon, and then I just added like a 2 teaspoon of heavy cream. And that looks good. Okay, and the final step was sprinkling some sugar on the top, which I forgot to do, so. Alright guys, so we are 40 minutes later. We're in my trunk and I am putting some frosting on because we're at the party. It's still hot, but just want to put a little bit in there. And we'll take the rest in. Came out perfect. You guys try it. Let me know how yours came out.